Welcome to our channel, hmli Partners. Today, we're delving into the captivating realm of personal and professional growth by shining a light on the vital roles of a coach and a mentor. First up, let's talk about coaches. These dedicated guides focus on your specific goals, enhancing performance, and honing skills. They're the ones cheering you on, offering the constructive feedback and strategies needed to unlock your full potential. Switching gears, mentors serve as your experienced advisors. Drawing from their own journeys, they share wisdom and insights, offering a helping hand as you navigate the twists and turns of your career and personal evolution. So, what sets them apart? It boils down to the duration of the relationship, their expertise, and goal orientation. Coaches zero in on achieving particular outcomes in the shorter term, while mentors are your long-haul companions, enriching your broader journey with their seasoned perspectives. Wrapping up, knowing the difference between a coach and a mentor is key to your growth. Each plays a unique role in steering you toward success. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Catch you in the next one.